All right, we're back at it again. We're doing another Ducati lost key replacement. This one's going to be a 2018 Ducati 1199 Panigale V4. Yeah, bike season look like it's starting up. So here's the deal with this. I think this customer called me. I don't know. I get a lot of calls, but I think this person said that somebody vandalized their bike because this looks like a new ignition. And they got the key with it. But anyway, the chip in this key I can't use. It already has data on it. I need to have I need to be able to write the data onto the chips. But anyway, what they want me to do is make another key, program it to the bike so it will start. That's it. They send the dashboard, they send the ignition lock, so when I make the key, I can make sure that the key works nice and smooth. It's always a good idea. If you're going to send me a key, send me a lock with it. That way I could try the keys in it after I copy it. Because sometimes when you copy keys, they don't always copy right. I like to see how it's turning, making sure it's turning nice and smooth. But anyway, I'll come back in a little bit with the key cutting program. All right, we're back. This puppy's done. Look like motorcycle season's here because I'm getting a lot of calls on this stuff. There you go. All right, let's start from the beginning. Off, on, lock the steering wheel. Bolt comes out. Park. There you go. Unlock. Nice and smooth all positions. Now the reason I want the locks when you send me a key so I could try the operation, because this one right here, let me see, is that the, yeah, this is right here is a copy I tried to make on my duplicator, and as you see, can't get that steering bolt to unlock. But if you put it here, it'll turn off, you know. Anyway, if it's shaky. So trust me, I'm going to try the keys. I'm going to make sure that whatever keys I send you back is working smoothly. No problems. This, it's shaky. I don't understand what the deal is. Maybe something's wrong. Maybe my machine needs to be calibrated or whatever. But I end up decoding the lock, figuring out what the code cuts off from scratch, and then making sure I got a key that's nice and smooth. Like this one. So those of you that call me wondering why people in your area can't do this, for one, especially this is one of the newest systems. This takes newer chips, it has more data on the chip. It takes me a lot longer to deal with them. I have newer software just to deal with this type of system here. Ducati have many different systems as far as anti-theft. There's different software for dealing with each one of them. So then not only that, you got to have all the keys. You got to have all the different types of chips. You got to know what data you need to put on the chips so the bike will recognize it and start. And that falls back to, you know, why the people in your area can't do it. One, they may not get a lot of calls to do these type of jobs, which means they're not going to go out and spend money to gear up. If you're not going to get your money back, doesn't make sense. Two, you know, you got to have a lot of training. And as the new systems come out, you got to train on that. You got to understand it. You got to, that way you don't mess nobody's stuff up. You mess up a dashboard, guess what? You're buying a new dashboard. Those of you that already priced it out, y'all already know. So if you're going to send, you know, if you want to send it to me, that's fine. If you don't like my prices, you know, you call around, but do yourself a favor. Ask people how many they've done, because sometimes actually I have a dashboard that came in yesterday. Somebody tried to program it or do whatever. They messed up the whole dashboard, and they messed up the ignition, so I had to send that back. Nothing I could do with it. So guess what? That was a very expensive lesson that customer learned by dealing with the wrong person. But anyway, make sure you ask questions. Like, you really want to get slick? Ask that person, what was the very first Ducati you made? The very first Ducati key you made that had a chip in it for what kind of bike? For me, it was a ST2. I remember that lesson because I went out there because I was making around the early 2000s. I was doing a lot of Kawasaki's, Hayabusas, you know, Gixxers, making keys to them. I went out there. I was like, oh, okay, I'll make a key to it. I made a key, turned the bike on. No go. All I did was got the dashboard lights to light up. Never got that bike to start. That was my first introduction to, wow, these bikes have chips in it. So I can tell you that because that was the first time I learned that Ducatis had chips. It was early 2000s. So that's about it. Y'all need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. You know, if you like my video, subscribe, like, and I appreciate y'all for watching. Catch y'all on the next one.